Hello everybody, today's theme is, wait a second, wait for it, the bird. Why are we talking about the bird? Because we feel like it. Did you know that the bird is the word? If you don't know, go on Hulu.com and search up "Bird is the word." It's from Family Guy. It's amazing, okay? So now, I don't know why we have the bird in every one of our videos, but apparently you love the bird.
That's right, the bird is the word.
So if the bird is annoying you, deal with it. So now, the bird was here on our computer. We decided, hey look, it's a bird. So we let it decide to roam free across the screen. Yeah, it's amazing. Amazing that we have a bird in this, and we call it the bird. See, there are 5 members of the Uzchidagra crew, even though there only seems to be 4. It's me, Chi, Dad, Gra, and the bird. So now, we're talking about the bird because... Why are we talking about the bird?
Because we felt like it.
Ah, yeah. So, the bird is a very important person to watch. Or bird. So, let's sing the song. Grace, do you know that the bird is the word?
The bird is the word.
Well, no, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
That's right.
Bird, bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Surfing. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. Bird is the word. If you want,
the bird is the word.
If you need me to, I'll write it. Bird.
That's horrible. B.
Is.
That's a horrible.
The.
That's a horrible B.
Yeah, just shut up.
Okay.
Word.
Yeah, that's right. The bird is the word. Don't forget that. And if you do,
let's say it again.
I am
Bird is the word. So,
now let's have a party about the bird.
No, we're not having a party. Then subscribe, because you'll see more of the bird every time.
And
so now,
don't forget to tune in with Uzchidagra.
Bye, y'all.